Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. I'm also fine. Learn the correct way to remove a page border from only the second page in Microsoft Word without affecting the rest of your document. This step-by-step tutorial shows you how to use section break and page border setting to control exactly where border appear in the professional document. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here 8 page to this document and all page available the border. Now I want to remove the border only the on the second page to all and stable on the first page. You can make it using the section break. Go to the last of the page and go to the layout menu. Select the break drop down menu, choose continuous. Then double click on the second page. We can see here the header option and the header is section 2. The all page are or the first page is section 1. Now I separated the two section. Then click the second page and turn off the link previous. Then go back the design menu, choose page border, make none and click OK. We can see here not stable the header on the first page. Here not apply this process. Now I make it manually. Go to the insert menu, click the header option, otherwise you can double click to this. Then go to the insert menu, click the text box. Create the text box, draw. Then draw the text box as a border. Then double click on the main page. Then we can see we remove the border to all page and only the first page. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than video very soon. Thanks for watching.